Certificates give attendees something valuable: proof of participation, a sense of accomplishment, and a reason to remember your event. Eventin makes it quick and easy. Just set it up once and send certificates to attendees automatically. No hassle, no extra tools. Let's see how to send certificates to attendees. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. First, go to the Settings page. Then click on the Attendee section. Make sure the attendee registration option is enabled. Also, ensure the email field is set to required so certificates can be sent. Now there are two preferences for sending certificates: send to only checked-in attendees, send to all attendees. Let's select checked-in attendees and hit Save. Head over to the event and configure the event certificate template. On the event configuration page, go to Template Setup. Select a template. You can create templates using Eventin's free version, then click OK. After that, hit Save Changes. Now, go back to the Events tab. You'll see 2 people registered for the event. To send certificates to all, click the 3 dots, select Send Certificates, and then click Send. If you prefer to send certificates individually, go to the Attendees page, click the 3 dots next to a user, and select Send Certificate, just like before. The attendee will receive their certificate via email. Here's a preview of the certificate. We hope this tutorial helped you learn how to send certificates using Eventin. For more tutorials like this, stay connected and follow our social channels. Thanks for watching.